Parce que ça tellement bon. Oh my gosh. You know, Haitian pickles goes with fish, with any type of meat, guys. Hello guys, my name is Emma and this is Emma Haitian Food. So today I'm gonna do something different. Usually I used to cook. So aujourd'hui, ma femme bagay qui différent. So nous allons manger ensemble, nous allons manger un delicious fish que moi te bake. We're gonna be eating fish today. And we have some pickles here, guys. We have some Asian pickles here. And also, we do have some Asian sauce. So, this is Asian sauce. This is the sauce that I make with some part of the fish. And here, guys, we do have some roasted fish. When I tell you this fish is it looks delicious, so I'm excited to eat this fish, guys. So again, welcome to Emma Seafood. So we're gonna start by trying the fish, and we also have some juice, some natural juice that I made. This is beet juice. Ça c'est jus betterave, guys. I'm so excited. So let's start with the fish. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try the fish with the pickles. This is one of my favorite salad to eat with fish. Like it's like I would say it's a salad because it's very fresh and it's also spicy a little bit, guys. So we're gonna try it out, guys. And the cucumber goes very well with it. And let's try the soup right now, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can really explain. It's just full of flavor. You can taste all the fresh peppers that are in there, the seasoning, the black pepper. Oh my gosh, it's very nice, guys. And now let's try some lettuce with the fish. Guys, I also love, healthy food, guys. I love salad. And I love everything about healthy food, guys. The tomatoes are so juicy, guys. I would literally eat that every day. Parce que ça tellement bon. Oh my gosh. With the pickles, it's even 10 out of 10 with the pickles. You know, Haitian pickles goes with fish, with any type of meat, guys. 10 out of 10. Now we have the tomato. I love the sauce. It's almost like a soup. You know, as Asian, we always have banana peze. We always have plantain fry next to it. But I eat that too much, guys. I'm trying not to have too much, you know, fat food. Like, so that's why I decided not to eat it today. To have plantain next to my fish. So we gotta take a bite now. And also, guys, today I'm wearing some Haitian caps. I'm wearing a Haitian cap and Haitian t-shirts. It's one of my favorite, though. Shout out to Haiti. We're gonna try it with the cucumber. Let's dump it in the sauce. And let's try it out. This sauce is perfect. It's almost like a soup, guys. Like I said, I made it with the bone of the fish and the head. So refreshing. Nous enjoy vidéo ça, guys, and m'espère voir nous dans la prochaine vidéo. Pas oublier pour nous subscribe, like, share, and now in a lot of video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.